like you're singing to your fifth grade crush, who you could never get over, who's maybe in the crowd. Are you ready? And if I'm your crush, sing even louder because I'm right here. Thank you all so much. Alright, we have one more song. And then you guys know what time it is. It's my Halloween time. But before that, we have one more song. It's called